Yo, what is up guys, this is Hadi from HadiTech back with a brand new video. In today's video guys, it's going to be a quick one, but we're going to go over one of the projects that is currently open, and the company behind it is recruiting right now. Now the company itself, we have covered it in the channel before. It's actually Meridial AI. And if you are not familiar with Meridial AI themselves, then you can go ahead and watch this video. We have a full breakdown of Meridial, how to set up your account, create your account, authenticate your account, go through some of the assessment there so you can start getting more jobs, and also you will familiarize yourself with the whole platform. And as you guys might know, we talk a lot about making money online and mostly about AI jobs. So if you are interested in those, then please go ahead and subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification on so you will not miss on our videos. And yeah, without further ado, let's just start with this video. All right guys, we are in the marketplace of Meridial AI, and like I mentioned before, if you don't know what is Meridial AI and you don't have an account with them, you don't know where to start, then please go ahead and watch this video. I'm gonna leave it in the link down below, or it will just pop up on this video. Click on it and go and watch it and create your account. Once you are there guys, as you can see, I've applied for different jobs and I've worked with Meridial as well, so I can actually vouch that this company is legit. This is just some of the earnings for past months. It's not really much, but I'm just saying this is actually a legit AI company that you can work with. So let's just go back to our home page right here, and in the home page you can see that I've applied for a couple roles. And if you scroll down, there are some different projects that currently are catered to us or for our profile. And if you know anything, like I mentioned before, if you put the right information on your profile, you will be matched with the correct projects for you. Now let's just cut to the chase and go to the Explore tab right here. And in the Explore tab, you're gonna look up this term, Level AI Audio, or you will find the link in the description down below. You don't need to go through the hassle. Click on it, and from there what you need to do is just create your account. So if you don't have an account, create your account, then apply right away. Or if you have already an account with Meridial, then click on it and just continue your whole application. So this is the current project that is open and currently recruiting, and it pays $9 per hour. So click on it and scroll all the way down, and as you can see, there is a lot of languages that are recruiting for. There's like multiple languages that you can apply for. If you speak German, then you can apply for German fluent speaker. If you are from the UK, you can also apply for this role. If you are from Turkey, you can apply for that. If you are a native French speaker, you can also apply for this. All right. And yeah, if you are Arabic as well, from Egypt, you can apply for this role too. Now, the only issue, I guess, they require a specific operating system. I'm not really sure, but once you click on it, you will have an assessment to take. You will have 3 chapters or 3 assessments that you need to take. Okay, and the very first one, if I'm not mistaken, you need to acknowledge and sign some documents. The second one is the operating system verification. I clearly failed that. I'm not really sure what's the best that you need to pick. If I'm not mistaken, probably it could be a Mac situation. So if you own a Mac, then this is the perfect opportunity for you. You can apply if you have a Mac. If you have anything else, I'm not really sure, then you can apply and just wait for that decision. Then the third chapter or the third step is to take the language assessment. Once you pass all 3, of course, you will wait for like 24 hours up to a week, and you'll be contacted from your manager, and then they will disclose the information of the project, and you can start working right away. So this is how it goes, and like I mentioned before, you can right away work on this project if you have the right requirements. So please do not miss on this. And like I mentioned before, if you want to stay up to date with everything that is AI related, AI jobs, then please comment down below, and sub to the channel will be appreciated. On that note, we will end this video. If you have any question, then comment that in the comment section down below. And yeah, this was Hadi. Take care of yourselves, guys. See you in the next one, and peace.